Na squeeze group watu wanajua kudance. Twende. Wewe. Bado haya tuvute wote twende. Kuna haya tuko ready. Vuta. Peleka. Haya twende. Peleka vizuri. Pekeeni sasa, pekeeni. Uongo. Umendanganya. Mikono hapo kando. Peleka mikono kando hivyo. Peleka kando. Kando hivyo. Kando. Aya. Guys, how are you? Today we are doing Eburu forest. Yes, we are doing Eburu forest. Yes, tunatoka hapa leo Eburu. It's been a while ever since you guys saw me. Ndio, ama ni aje. So stay here, stay tuned, niwaonyeshe venye Eburu inakuanga. Tuone venye iko. And by the way, today's video has been sponsored by 5-Star Furnitures. Yes, 5-Star Furnitures. 5-Star Furnitures is where you can get all your home decor, all your home chairs, beds, everything furniture that you need inside your house, your office. 5-Star Furnitures has it all for you. Contacts down here on my description. I'm up here and I'm pinning it. So without much further ado, come with me. Peace. As you can see here, we have Kengen. This is just steam coming from underground. This is Kengen, I believe. Yes, still we are going on, taking it swiftly. It's sulfur, ikona sulfur, that's why it's having a very eggish like smell. Simulisoma hiyo kwa chemistry. Mwalimu wa chemistry, hapa ni wapi? Yes, that's why it has a very eggish smell. Today kila mtu amepanda fence. Kila mtu amvuka fence. Kila mtu amvuka fence leo. Ndio hiyo fence. Hi. Mambo vipi watu? We are hiking Eburu, tuko katikati. We have crossed to the other side of the fence. Yes. Hakuna kuketi. Hakuna kuketi chini. Wewe hapa. Unasikia moto. Done with the first hill. Now we are heading to the second hill, as you can see. Yes. Keep counting with me. Keep counting with me. Tuko the second. Tateremka the first hill. Heading to the second hill over there. Yes. Jumping down the hallway, hit her with no foreplay, swearing in a Corvette, D-shine in a can imagine the torture that is waiting for us hapo mbele for the second hill. Watu wametoa mate, ulimi, kila kitu yenye wanaweza toa, ni nguo tu wamebakisha. Yes, let's continue walking as I take you through Eburu. Okay, that's where we came from. Approaching the end of the second hill. Yeah. 5 more hills to go. We are on top of the second one. Where is Kumrambering? Is good. Journey with me. We want to take 8 kilometers of these hills, then 10 kilometers of just nice forest, a nice walk in the park, literally. Sawa. So journey with me. Benedict, wende umesema wewe ndio sweeper. Wewe ndio sweeper, unafagia mbele, unatufagilia barabara. Oh. The horizon that we want to approach. There it is. There. The horizon is there that we want to approach all the way from there. And it's not a walk in the park, it's up and down the hill. Here you can see like Elementaita, Sleeping Warrior, Ugali and Sosa. As you can see, venye zimejipanga hivyo tu. We are going down the hill. Mnaona mtu anaunua mkono hapa, ndawaonyesha baadaye after tumemaliza. Uone venye atakuwa mpiga nduru. Mwalimu wa agriculture hapa ni wapi? Hii ni Nathi kwa wale wa Kikuyu. Those from Kikuyu dialect. Hii ni Nathi. Kwa English sijui. Mwalimu wa agriculture hapa ni wapi? Najua hapa hii ni Nathi. Watu wa Kitale nimeambiwa ni Mbunwe. Mimi sijui pastapo. Hebu wenye wanajua Kizungu ama Kiswahili waniambie ni matunda ndani. Nimeambiwa ni wild berries. So, mwalimu wa agriculture hapa ni wapi? I lost count of the number of hills, but we are on the next one. 8 of them. Yes. This is the 4th. Now 4 more to go. That's where we are going. Uka! Tunatembea pole pole. Take a commercial break about the hills. Don't forget, this video has been sponsored by 5-Star Furnitures. Anything sofas, anything beds, anything office appliance. Yani, if you want to make your office look beautiful, look for 5-Star Furnitures. Yes, they have beautiful chairs, beautiful sofas, beautiful stools. Nice. So don't forget, visit 5-Star Furnitures. Na ukifika 5-Star Furnitures, promo code ni GameShaker. GameShaker is the promo code. You'll get a percentage off your first buying. Don't forget, visit 5-Star Furnitures. The link is in the description, and contact them for furnitures, anything furniture. Kaa chini na kenye unafaa ukae chini nayo. Amesema making life easier. Ndio huyo wa pili. Kuna team Subaru zuko wana fly. As you can see, Chaka ako huko anaokotwa tu. Never has, yani breaking news. Hii mjaiona hii footage mahali. Unaona venye watu wanashuka. Wana wengine huko. Unaona huo ni sina pressure. Usipatane. Premium footage ndio hii.
Ya chini kabisa hizi.
This is premium footage of Eburu. Tumekaa chini, literally. By the way, talking of kukaa chini, don't forget 5-star furnitures. Tumekaa chini, literally. Watu wamekanyanga chini. Hii nimesema only fans viewership. Wamesikia moto. Hey, Eburu is never a joke by the way, but this one is easy because tumetumia the western side. So tumeanza na milima. So it's much easier. Nice. Still journey with me, ni kuonyeshe mandhari. Mwalimu wa geography, hapa ni wapi? Hapa ni wapi?
Oh my God.
Never have you ever seen before this footage.
Yeah. Hapa tafadhali dance with
Aba, ikaua mama. Wakateremuka na makalio. Wakateremuka na makalio. Mlima mbaya. Mlima mbaya. Mlima mbaya. Kinawaramba. Mama. Such views are very nice. We, kufika hapa juu, no joke. Kuno nimetoka, and that is where I'm heading. There, that green path you're seeing over there, that's where I'm heading. We, don't forget, the views are so beautiful. As the chairs in 5-star furnitures, the beds in 5-star furnitures. Wako na so nice cozy beds, so nice sofas. Office yako imeboeka and you think of something, visit them. They have a solution for you. Very nice office furnitures, very nice house furnitures, and they also do some interior wardrobes. Yani anything furniture, those guys are the best. So book an appointment with them. Description iko na link and iko na everything you need. Check out the Instagram handle at 5-star 5_star_furnitures_254 on Instagram, and on Facebook is 5-star furnitures 254. Yes, check out those very beautiful furnitures. Yes, I'm so sure you won't be disappointed. Anyway, we are in Eburu. We want to see if we'll be able to finish. We have only one horizon to climb. Yes, tumebakisha moja peke yake, halafu tufike pale penye tuta sit down the halfway. We are doing 8 kilometers of hills, 10 kilometers of nice forest walk. You will just see ahead of the video. Sawa sawa, so come along with me. Boom. Hapa ni wapi? You will never see this anywhere. Imagine such a view. That is like Elementator over there with the sleeping warrior on the side, Ugali and Sosa. Imagine that view yote. Mahali safari rally zilikuwa zinaendeshwa ni hiyo field, unaona huko kwote huko. That is a very nice view from here. From afar huko you can see Nakuru.
Where?
Going for the last horizon. Tunateremka pole pole, tupande, tuteremke 3 times, then we are done with the first part ya hill. The other part ni ile forest tunaona huko. We'll be taking that forest for 10 kilometers, then we're getting back to where we started. It's a very simple hike using the western region other than kutumia ile eastern region. So for the beginners, this is nice for you. It's beginner friendly, the western region, rather than the eastern region, because by the time uko na nguvu umemalizana na mlima yote. But it's a very nice hike. So walk with me through. We are still on the hills. Chronicles za kutembea, hiking. Uamuke mapema, ulipe pesa yako mingi, ununue gears za kuhike, all because of kuja uteseke kwa mlima. Alafu sahi mnalipia watoto school bus inamtoa nje ya gate hadi 1 kilometer away to school. Ndio baadaye akuja ateseka kama wewe kwa mlima, aseme hakuwa anatembea. Badala umuachilie aende venye anatembea, anze hiking mapema. Just imagine, we are humans. Hii ni maajabu.
Really? Maajabu gani?
Panda mlima. Hizo ni maajabu.
Apenda.
Si wewe ulikuwa unapiga nduru hapo? We.
Kurambwa more than once.
Good. Let me tell you guys, 8 kilometers of hill. Since is no joke. Yeah, sahi tuko tumebakisha like a kilometer to the place. We have done like 7 km. A kilometer to the half of where we're going. Kilomita kwa mlima ni ndefu. Unapanda unashuka bado unasikia ni 500 meters. So let's continue going as we head straight. Good. So all in all, we are still, wale wamesahau, we are still in Eburu forest. As you can see, the fauna is very nice. And we are still enjoying ourselves. So still keep posted, keep watching the video. Twende mbele. Last hill. On to the last hill. Tumalize. Tumebakisha mlima moja peke yake. And it's a long one. You see? It's a very long one. Alafu tumalizane na hii hike. Simple as that. Tumalizane na half of the hike, sorry. Sawa sawa. Walk with me. Tunalilia nini? Mtoto analilia jeshi. Akitembelea shoto kulia mulima tutapanda. Ai! Akitembelea shoto kulia mulima atapanda. Ai! Sema nikumoto mazee. Yesu wangu. Yesu ananiua. Wananimaliza Yesu wangu. Hey. Happiness, orgasm, orgasm. Kufika hapa ni kufurahia. Wadau, kwani amkai chini? Hapa kufika hapa ni Mungu. Hapa ni Yesu. Tumefika.
tunaenda opposite side.
Oh,
Sisi tunaenda hivi.
mnaanza kuteseka. Hey.
Mambo. Hii route tumechukua iko poa kushinda hii yetu. Because
M-Pesa Gate Foundation, Eburu Forest Electric Fence. This was a gate sponsored by Safaricom. M-Pesa Foundation. This is where you take a break, either coming from the forest or coming from the hills. You take a break here, then you continue now with your 10 kilometers, either 10 or 8. Sawa sawa? Ready to take on the forest trail. Still walk with me.
Unajua anacheka kwa nini? Hii ni maajabu.
Check out that beautiful flower. We are walking here. Safari inaendelea. Now we are on the second trail, the second stretch ya mwisho. This is a very simple stretch. Tuende. Walk with me as we take on the journey. Take on the second trail. Tumekaa chini, feel fiti. Na pia ukitaka feel fiti kwa hao, if you want to feel nice in your house, check out 5-star furnitures. They have nice sofas, they have nice beds, they have very nice office furnitures. They offer anything furnitures, and they are very beautiful. They are our today's sponsors for the video. Thank you 5-star. And anything furniture you need, check out 5-star furnitures. Bed, sofa, office table, office furniture, dining tables. Check out 5-star furnitures. Description iko na everything, link on the description, and I will pin it somewhere here. Sawa sawa. Peace. Continue walking with me. Tuende. We are on the second part of the forest. Yes, tunatembea, but it's much more, at least hakuna jua. The sun is a bit cozy because there's some canopies of the trees around. Basically it's more of a forest than the other side. So we are here. We kinaramba wengine kilishawa ramba, but you know what, we move on regardless. Anyway, we are still enjoying the hike. When uliamka mapema, you woke up early, you paid for the hike, you bought all the hiking stuff you need. Yes, teseka kidogo. Good. Travel with me. I will update you as we go. Peace. Hapa ni picnic spot. Western Summit. So Western Summit unaenda trail, unaenda hivyo. Western Summit unakuja unaenda hii yenye tumetoka ni hivyo Ndafifi. Hivyo Ndafifi. Hapa ndio ukitaka picnic unaenda hivyo, pale kuna space ya picnic. Tusimame.
Nipige picha moja. Nikiwa nimesimama hapa. Wale wanatufikia tuendeleeni kwa shule.
You see such environment. Tuko hapa Kimewaramba ama kijawaramba? Maoni?
Hatuna maoni.
Hatuna maoni kwa sasa.
We don't want to.
Sisi kama mimi kama mkaazi wa Nakuru. Mwalimu wa maths, hapa ni wapi? Hapa ni wa geography. Mwalimu wa geography, hapa ni wapi? Hapa ni wapi? Ulisema hatuendi mbali. Hapa ni wapi? Hapa ni wapi? Three more kilometers to the summit. 3 more kilometers. Then we are done. Yes. We're walking very swiftly. Tunachivamba to hii area. Guys, we are on still. Tunapambana na mlima, but we are almost finishing around 1.5 kilometers. Tumejibamba, ni kutamu hivi. Yani ni hillgasm. You just enjoy yourself with the hills, with the flowers, sounds. Unajibamba tu. And talking of kujibamba, you should get comfortable with those sofas, those home furnitures, those office appliances, with that nice coffee table there. You have some nice coffee. You know what? Check out 5 star. They got you sorted. They give you whole variety of home furnitures, office furnitures. For Christmas, kuna gift hapo. And don't forget, when you go there, use Game Shaker as the promo gift. You'll get at least some percentage off from whatever you will be buying. And description below, ikona link, social handles, and how you can reach them. 5 star furnitures, they have everything you can need about furnitures, and they will deliver to you anywhere in this country. So check them out. Delivery anywhere. So tuendelee na hike. I believe I'll update you nikifika huko mbele. Sasa hiki ni ramba mbaya. Nice, thank you. That was an
Ukijaribu kuweka shangwe na vigelegele kwa Bwana Yesu.
We are done. 18.5 kilometers back to base. Sisi hatunanga haraka. Watu walifika kitambo, people are dressed up. Nini. Ndio tumefika, sisi hatuna haraka. Thanks guys for watching. Thanks guys for everyone who was there. Stay tuned for the next hike. Tumefurahia sana. And thanks 5 Star Furnitures for sponsoring this video. See you in the next hike. Peace!